So you're wanting to add better audio to your GoPro Hero 8 and you're thinking about purchasing the media mod. But first off, before you invest your hard-earned money into that, you want to make sure that you're getting what you pay for. And you want a comparison on the onboard microphones versus the media mod versus also attaching a lavalier microphone directly to the media mod to see what best audio quality you can get out of your GoPro Hero 8. If that sounds like something you're interested in, sit tight. Roll that intro. All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you're new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon so you'll be notified each and every time we post videos or go live on this channel. It helps keep the lights on, and I greatly appreciate each and every one of you who have stuck around and supported us throughout all of these videos. So more than likely, you're watching this video because you want a comparison between the onboard microphones on the GoPro Hero 8 and the new media mod that was just recently released for the GoPro that allows you to have an additional onboard directional shotgun style microphone, or gives you the flexibility and opportunity to attach a lavalier microphone to your GoPro Hero 8. So the media mod looks just like this. Now, the unfortunate thing about the media mod is that it does not allow you to run filters, ND filters, on your GoPro Hero 8 because this particular housing goes away from utilizing at least the Polar Pro version, which requires you to have this attachment on there in order to attach the ND filters. So that is something to think about when you're looking at potentially purchasing this particular attachment, the media mod. Now what we're going to do right now is we're going to attach it to the GoPro, and right now you've been listening entirely this first part of the video to the onboard microphones on the GoPro Hero 8. Now we're going to attach the media mod, and you let me know what you guys think down in the comments, what audio sounds best to you. Alrighty, and now you're hearing the audio courtesy of the media mod on the GoPro Hero 8 attached. I went into the settings and I prioritized the front microphone. I took off stereo and I just have the front microphone going on right now, which should mean that this front directional shotgun style microphone on the media mod is the only thing that's picking up my voice. I'm about 8 or 9, maybe 10 inches away, let's just say maybe a foot away from the GoPro right now. I'm in a controlled environment. I have a ceiling fan going on right now to kind of introduce a little bit of noise, but other than that, it is a pretty controlled environment right now, which I know is not ideal for a GoPro. A GoPro is meant to be out and about. So I will be taking the GoPro out and about here in a few minutes, and you'll be able to see footage from as we're traveling around our city and letting me know what you guys think about the audio when we'll be outside, and you'll just kind of get a good idea of what the media mod sounds like outdoors attached to the GoPro Hero 8 along with what a GoPro onboard microphone sound. So now I'm going to plug in a lavalier mic and you tell me what you think. Alrighty, now you're hearing me from one of my lavalier mics that I use, the one that I've been using on this channel a lot, the Aspen microphone. Really love that tinfoil style case, like an Altoids case. But right now you could see, hopefully you could see it right here. This is the lavalier microphone that I use a lot of my videos with. The audio quality that I typically get out of this lavalier mic is pretty incredible for a very low price. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Do you like this audio coming out of a lavalier microphone on the GoPro Hero 8 plugged into the media mod, which allows you to attach an external microphone, in this case attaching a lavalier mic? Hey everybody, so we're outside right here. These are the onboard microphones courtesy of the GoPro Hero 8. Right now I am not filming with any ND filter because I'm going to need to put on the media mod right now, and as I mentioned earlier, you cannot use ND filters very well with this particular device and the media mod, specifically the Polar Pro ones. I'm not sure about any of the other brands, Free World and whatnot, but for the GoPro ones, for the Polar Pro, those you cannot use because of the attachment device that you need to utilize. So right now these are the onboard mics. We're right near a busy street. Let me know what you guys think. Now I'm about to put on the media mod. Okay everybody, so now these are the media mod microphones. This is the front facing mic. I changed my shutter speed, so you might see a little bit difference in the way the quality of the video looks because this is in a 24p timeline, and I just set it to auto so that way it can expose. But this is the media mod microphone, the front shotgun microphone on the GoPro Hero 8. Now we're going to test out a lavalier microphone and let me know what you guys think. And now this is testing a lavalier microphone connected to the media mod mic input jack that's on the back of the camera. So this is the lavalier microphone you can see right here, utilizing it connected to the media mod. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments about the audio quality. Do you prefer the onboard microphones, the media mod shotgun microphone, or the lavalier mic setup, which will leave you tethered to the GoPro, but at least you will get a little bit better audio in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Whew. All right, everybody. What do you guys think of A, the footage, and B, the audio quality that we got out of that footage? Right now, we're back in the studio. I'm utilizing the lavalier microphone right now just because of the way it was already set up. We heard the onboard mics at the beginning of this video. We also heard the media mod towards the middle, and I'm going to leave everything timestamped down below in the chapters. So if you want to go back and forth, feel free to do so. Let me know what you guys think about this entire audio quality difference on the GoPro. Do you prefer the lavalier microphone setup? Do you prefer not to be tethered and will stick with the onboard microphone of the GoPro? Or are you looking to invest in the media mod to use only the shotgun microphone on the media mod? Now, me personally, I feel like I'm always going to be utilizing the GoPro by itself without the media mod, unless I'm in a controlled environment, in a controlled situation, because of the fact that I really do need those ND filters on my GoPro to be able to go out and vlog our POV style of photo videos and photo walks that we're going to be doing here on the channel with the chest strap on. And just having the media mod isn't something that I necessarily need for that situation. However, if we're going to be vlogging, if the family and I are going to be going out and about doing family vlogs and things like that, I may be looking to take this media mod attachment along with that. Potentially adding a small microphone, because the media mod does give you two cold shoe mounts where you can mount additional accessories, other microphones and things like that. So you let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Will you be picking up a media mod? Do you already have a media mod and you really enjoy it? Or are there things that just bug you about it? Again, let me know down in the comments. Be that cool guy or girl that gives me a thumbs up or 2 thumbs down, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.